Hello, Car Chronicles enthusiasts. Today, we're shifting gears from our usual four-wheeled features to take to the skies with the impressive Bell 407 helicopter. This versatile aircraft has made significant strides in aviation since its introduction, and we're here to explore what makes it a standout choice for various missions. The Bell 407 is a single-engine, multi-role helicopter that seamlessly blends reliability, speed, performance, and maneuverability. Its design evolution traces back to the Bell 206 series, with the 407 making its debut in 1996. Since then, over 1,600 units have been produced, underscoring its popularity and dependability in the aviation community. One of the key enhancements in the Bell 407 is its four-blade main rotor system, derived from the OH-58D Kiowa. This rotor system, constructed with composite materials, not only reduces vibration but also eliminates life limits on the blades, ensuring a smoother and more cost-effective operation. The fuselage is notably wider by 8 inches compared to its predecessors, providing increased cabin space and 35% larger windows, which enhance both passenger comfort and visibility. Under the hood, the Bell 407 is powered by the robust Rolls-Royce 250C-47B turbine engine, delivering 813 shaft horsepower. This powerhouse enables the helicopter to reach speeds up to 260 km per hour, approximately 161 miles per hour, and operate at altitudes up to 5,698 meters, 18,690 feet. With a standard fuel capacity of 477 liters, extendable with an optional 75-liter auxiliary tank, the 407 offers a range of approximately 577 kilometers, about 359 miles, making it suitable for a variety of missions from corporate transport to emergency medical services. The cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics to enhance pilot situational awareness and flight safety. Notably, the Garmin G1000H flight deck integrates all primary flight information into intuitive displays, streamlining operations and reducing pilot workload. This system includes features like synthetic vision and terrain avoidance warnings, crucial for navigating diverse environments safely. Now, let's talk numbers. The cost of owning a Bell 407 can vary based on factors such as age, condition, and installed equipment. As of recent data, a pre-owned Bell 407 averages around $2.2 million. Financing such an aircraft over 120 months with a $1.1 million loan would result in monthly payments of approximately $55,158. Operating costs are also a consideration. Based on 300 annual flight hours and fuel costs of $6 per gallon, the total annual budget would be around $671,116, breaking down to $2,237 per hour. In summary, the Bell 407 stands out as a reliable and versatile helicopter, offering impressive performance and advanced technology. Whether for corporate transport, medical evacuation, or law enforcement, its capabilities make it a valuable asset in various sectors. If you're considering taking your ventures to the skies, the Bell 407 is certainly worth a closer look. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting features from Car Chronicles. Fly high and stay safe.